Hey there, and thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Natalie, and today I am going to talk about fashion. I am going to talk about makeup. So if you want me to spill all the tea about this makeup look over here and the outfit that I am wearing, then you should definitely tune in. Okay, so before I go into sharing with you how I created the dress that I shared with you on Instagram that you can see in the picture, I just wanted to share with you how excited I am. Right now I feel like I'm in a season of wanting to explore my femininity more. I want to play with makeup. I want to learn how to apply makeup better. I am wearing red lips, which is something that I never used to do simply because I didn't think I could get away with it. But that's the thing with makeup, right? When you find the right one, it's just like, it just meshes, right? And I'm so happy, and I think it looks so beautiful on me. So I found the one, I found the right red lipstick for me, and I'm just really excited about that. A couple of things that are different between the look that I shared with you on Instagram and this look over here is that this look right here, I am wearing eyeliner, which I am not on the look that's on Instagram. I am also wearing two foundations. I'm wearing today Hynt Beauty, and I'm wearing Plain Jane Beauty together to show you that you can really build this look and make it more, I want to say intense, but not intense. You can have more coverage. And the point that I want to convey is that you can go with these items, with these products, you can really create a natural look where if you don't mind that imperfections or seeping through a little bit, you can definitely do that. But if you want to have a look where you are covering up all imperfections, you can do that too, and you can build up your look. You can put a little bit of highlighter here, a little bit of highlighter on your cupid's bow. Another thing that would be great with this look maybe is falsies, so you can really take it from natural to really sophisticated if you wanted to do that. And the beautiful thing about it is that you're using products that are non-toxic, that are beautiful, and that are meant to just let your true beauty shine through. I hope that makes sense. And I'm just very excited about this look. So now I'm just going to move on to the outfit. I'm going to share with you now how I created that dress. I got so many compliments on the dress, and it's nothing extraordinary. I'm pretty sure you have a piece of fabric at home that you can use and you can recreate this look yourself. So all you need is maybe a ring, a bracelet, and even if you don't have one of these, anything that has the shape, you can make the dress and it's going to look beautiful. And most of us have already created this look. When we go to the beach or the pool, right, we just take a piece of fabric or even a towel and we wrap it around our waist, or we wrap it around our bust and we just tuck it in. This is the equivalent of that. The only difference is that I used a few things like the ring, I used the belt, and then I made it a dress so that you can take any outfit that you may be wearing at the pool out to dinner and look a little more put together, a little more sophisticated. So I am using a piece of fabric. This is probably 3.5 by 5 feet. And I am 5'5", and this fits me like a midi dress, midi length dress. So if it's shorter, if you're taller, you just kind of adjust to what works best for you. But I'm just going to show you how this looks on. All right, so I'm just pulling the fabric this way, and I'm going to use the ring. So I'm just pulling both sides of the fabric through the ring, which is very simple. And then I'm going to wear the ring. At this point, I'm going to leave it in the middle, and I'm going to pull it as close to my chest as I can. And then I'm just going to take one end, pass it through, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the other side, pass it through. And if you don't have a ring, I'll show you what you can do. I got you. I'll show you what you can do. So I'm just going to keep doing this, and I'm just going to look at myself in the mirror so that I can see what I'm doing. I usually do one side after the other so I can really see what I'm doing. And the goal is to really cover the entire ring, but you don't have to. Let's say you have a really pretty bracelet, maybe in silver or in gold, and you have other accessories that match, then you can maybe show a little bit, show a little bit of it. That's fine. That would look pretty. And I just do this all the way. And I do my best to tuck it in, but it's not gonna be perfect. Maybe I'll have, maybe you will have to pin it, or sometimes depending on how I do it, I may have to pin it. And then I just slide it to the side, and I just choose to do so because I find that it makes the dress, so it makes the top a little more interesting than having it in the middle, but you could also have it in the middle too, and you could do so many different things. I have so many different ideas with this here, but I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to keep it on topic. Then I grab a little belt, and just to cinch the waist a little bit and make it look less frumpy, and then a nice pair of heels. So let me see how that looks in the mirror before I share it with you. Just gather this a little bit, and that's the look. That's how I did it. And because there's so much fabric, I am not worried about it opening up and sharing more than I want with the world. But if that's a concern of yours, you can pin it. You can just pin the dress on the inside. And right now it's, I was saying midi length before, but it's really up to my knees. And you'll see, just go check on Instagram, you'll see. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. But this is basically how I made the dress. So super simple. Can you imagine with a shorter piece of fabric, you could make just a top to go with jeans, or you could make a top to just go with a nice pencil skirt. I just think this is great. And you could just grab any piece of fabric. You go to a fabric store, there's a nice piece of fabric that you like, just ask for a piece of that and you can make yourself a little top that's gonna look really, really cute. And you can get, depending on your size, you can get the proper support underneath. I mean, it works. As you can tell, it works. So for those of you who do not have a bracelet, you do not have a ring on hand, and you're thinking, Natalie, I cannot do this. I don't have the tools. I got you. All you have to do is, and you probably figured this out yourself already, but all you have to do, you just tie it. That's all you have to do. As long as you can tie it at the waist, you can see already, as long as you can tie it at the waist, it's super simple. You don't have to really do anything complicated. You can just tie it on the side. You can just tie it on the side like so, and then you can pin it just for extra security if you want. You could even wear an elastic around it and make it be like puffy over here. I mean, I can think of so many things that you could do just to play around a little bit. You could put it back to the middle. Let me just play around with this a little bit too. Put it back to the middle, and then you could, and then you could simply tie it around your neck. So it all depends on how much fabric you have. And I have an even better tip for you. So see how chunky this is here? This is how I would fix that. I would do this and do that. And then it would not be as chunky. I'm giving this to you live, guys. Just thinking about this on the spot. It needs to be a little more secure than I did it now, but it's just, I'm sure you get the point. It just gives you an idea. And right away you have, this creates a nice little dress. Then all you need is heels, and then you just went from the beach or the pool to now to a night out, and you're ready and you're looking good. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial / makeup look. Give the video a thumbs up, and remember to join me next week at 6 p.m. next Monday, 6 p.m. and in the city. I will see you then. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.